No, it's just as a reference.
I don't know what.
You know, a stool would be better. I'm sure with all these musicians, they got a stool, right? Like right back there's a stool. Yikes. I mean, I
have Gaffigan here.
I'm opening for the Pope. I mean, I'm not. Everyone is, but... So, that is the Ben Franklin Parkway. We drove down there. I mean, anyone in Philadelphia knows that this city is... I went through security just to get in a van.
All right, so stage hands. Let's stand by. We're going to be striking this gear. Okay.
Quickly once they're done. Yeah. How long is the century?
I mean,
Okay, we're going to spike and strike this.
There from top of the show and not be on. Matt, I need Renee on stage.
So you don't have a straight mic, do you?
I do.
And that wireless, you promise it won't cut out?
I don't promise. Julie promises.
What do I do? What?
The wireless, do you promise it won't cut out in the middle of the show?
Put your hand on the Bible.
Sure.
You're like, hey.
I'm known as the scapegoat anyway, so if anything goes wrong, just blame Julie.
Pope's on her.
Yeah.
Swear to Pope.
I'll be right back.
All I gotta do is just remember to be dirty, right?
Extra dirty.
So.
You're gonna walk down here, all the plastic won't be on here then.
So they're just protecting
They're protecting it because there's a yes.
Yeah. And so I'll be coming down here.
You can also, if you don't want to walk, just know that this stuff will be here. So if you want to walk down and come down this, if you feel more comfortable instead of walking down the ramp, whatever you want to do.
So is the idea that I'm announced or I come out as I'm announced?
Well, Voice of God, that thing that I told you, I'll get you the script page, but that's a Voice of God announcement.
Right.
That will announce you. And then you can...
I got one in Julie, does he need an IFB?
He does not need an IFB.
Okay.
No.
But Joey's getting yours.
Yeah, I'd love to hear, the monitors. I want to hear my jokes. Because it's like, how much echo are we going to deal with? Or is this just so massive it's just...
You have monitors that they'll play back to you.
Okay. All these white chairs are actually just for my children. That's what's amazing. So that's, so are those press boxes up there?
Big story. Jim Gaffigan's here, so
we don't have time for your little piddly.
I don't know what. I gotta keep it local here, right?
they're all from
all these white chairs. Is it not true that all these white chairs are just for my children? They're just for my children. But I should find out my intro, so in case they say.
Julie should know that.
Yeah, she told me a little bit. But that's better. I'm such a prima donna. And I would love a stool and for you to drop the attitude. All right, here we go. So,
Yeah, I know.
All right.
So this would be hot, right?
You guys are all top shelf here, right? So what's, what are you guys doing here? That's amazing. It's interesting. Just so you know, all these white chairs are actually just for my children, so don't get too comfortable. Yeah, that's great. That is a very fancy, non-humble Pope Francis school. That is, but I like it. I hope you enjoy some of these jokes because I'll be doing them a little wrong. There we go. It's good to be here. You know, it's awkward for me to be here because this just shows that I'm not resentful that I wasn't elected Pope. Right? I didn't hold a grudge. This is pretty amazing. What a beautiful city Philadelphia is, right? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And Philly loves Santa, right? Philly loves the Pope and Santa. So let's security. By the way, every single security guy on the planet is here in Philadelphia right now. Every single one of them. I'm saying about half a mile from here. It only took 3 days to get here. 3 days. It's amazing. These ladies are holding their seats. You're not going anywhere, are you? Right, this is good. And I guess then I'll do all my jokes during the show in Latin. Alright, I feel like I guess it's better to go on before the Pope than after the Pope. You don't want to be like a person like after the Pope. You're like, yeah, he's alright. It's holy God.